Hi, my name is Satan Bale and I'm here in Porter Ranch, California. Me and my mom were actually looking for new drapes. We recently remodeled and we were looking for something completely different from what we've had. And we wanted something new and elegant and clean, and we were actually looking around for a while. We weren't able to find anything until we found Galaxy Design. We saw a lot of their sample videos on YouTube, and their website had so many great pictures for us to choose from. So we set up a video conference with them and we showed them our windows, what we were looking for, and they're gonna send over some sample packages for us to look at. And I'm really excited actually because my mom's not in town, so I'm gonna look at them and set it all up and I'm gonna surprise her with it. So what we had before was nice, but this is completely over the top. I know my mom's gonna love this. And it was actually really simple too. As soon as the package came, we just followed the instructions and we put it up without any problems at all. I don't think she's ready for how beautiful this is. So if you're looking for elegant draperies, go to Galaxy Design, call them right now. If I can do it, you can too.